Today I'll explain you guys about cropping and scaling. Now before we get started, you first need some footage. So drag and drop your desired footage into the timeline. An easiest way to scale a video is to adjust the scale property in the Effects Controls panel. By using keyframes, you can animate the scaling of your video. Don't forget to ease in and ease out those keyframes unless you want a harsh animation. Of course. Now to crop your video, simply use the crop effect. You can find this in the Effects panel. Drag and drop it onto your clip and head over to the Effects Controls. Scroll to the bottom and here you can find the crop effects properties. You'll see 4 different percentages. The more you increase it, the less you'll see of the remaining image. Now what's often done is cropping in from the top and the bottom to create CinemaScopes. Now in reality, some films are shot on anamorphic lenses giving a wider video frame, and by creating such black bars you kind of recreate that cinematic look. Now to apply this to your entire edit, I recommend to first create an adjustment layer from your project panel and placing that over all of your clips in a timeline. On this adjustment layer we apply the crop effect. Another thing that you'll see in this effect is called the edge feather. This is a tool that allows you to make the crop adjustments more gradually. The more edge feather you add, the softer the edges will become. And the last thing we'll cover is the zoom checkbox. This will expand the remaining image to fit your screen, so it doesn't really zoom in, but it just stretches the image. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to enable the notification bell so that you won't miss any new upload. Thank you so much for watching and as always, stay creative.